In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Notion widget to desktop. To do this, you will first install the Notion desktop app for Windows. This is important because the desktop app gives you a smoother experience than the browser, and it is the simplest foundation for getting Notion accessible right from your desktop. Start by opening Notion in your web browser and going to the Notion Getting Started page. This is a standard Notion page that loads inside your workspace, and it is a convenient place to find the official download link for the desktop app. Give the page a moment to load fully so you can see the workspace and the options in the sidebar. Next, click into your Notion workspace. You will usually see your workspace name in the left sidebar near the top. Selecting the workspace helps ensure you are viewing the correct Notion environment and the proper menu options. If you have more than one workspace, take a second to choose the one you normally use so the app you install will match your everyday setup. Now look for the option that says Get Windows App and click it. This will take you into the download flow for the official Notion Windows application. Depending on your browser settings, the installer may download automatically, or you may be prompted to confirm the download. Once the download finishes, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Keep the default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them, since the standard install works best for most people. After installation, open Notion from the Windows Start menu or from the shortcut created during setup. Sign in if needed, and let Notion sync your pages so everything appears as expected. At this point, Notion is installed on your desktop, and you can keep it open like any other app for quick access throughout the day. That covers everything you need to know.